Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
They say fire destroyed National Assembly store yesterday, Thursday, and destroyed the documents. And I'm going to tell you one thing. I don't know. The question I want to ask here is this. Do National Assembly, where do they put their vital documents? You see, sometimes like this, you begin to ask questions. In a civilized world, all documents are kept inside computer. Even if your computer is totally destroyed, you can still retrieve them back. You know one thing where the pain, you know my pain. Oh my God. Do you know my pain? My pain is this. Nigerian government, National Assembly, they are not even ashamed of themselves to come on social media. Oh my God, I think I'm in the wrong place today. There's a whole lot of convoy. Let me just show you guys. Right in front of me is a small cross where people come to this area to relax. And then look, you see the crossing. People is too slow. The convoy, you see. I want to bring to your attention. I just want to bring to you guys' attention that these people we call our senators, governors, presidents, they are still 50 years behind civilization. When I hear that fire engulfed National Assembly and destroyed documents, and you begin to ask these people, when are they going to be assembling their documents into database? I'm not doing a very long video, I'm doing a very short video because this evening I'm going to come back in the next 4 hours. But for now, let's talk about this National Assembly. And something is fishing. The same people will come and tell you that snake have swallowed money, monkey have swallowed money. In a civilized country, a vital document, in fact, not only a vital document, all documents are kept on social platform. I don't mean social. Don't let me put social because there's a difference between database and social. A database is where the government store their documents and store documents, vital documents. That is very, very important. But what you see in Nigeria is, if they want to steal money, they will tell you, oh, fire don't burn so place. Fire don't burn so place. Honestly, I'm trying to just let you understand that these people they don't have you at hand. They do not like you. They don't know what they're doing in National Assembly. I'm trying to tell you guys the truth. And I've tried to figure out how Nigeria, who is actually going to come and fix that country. Corruption. You see, make I tell you something. When I begin to hear something like this, trust me, something is wrong somewhere. They want to steal money. They actually want to steal money. When you don't hear like this, National Assembly, fire don't burn this, fire burn here, they are here to steal. Something is fishy somewhere. Agbada don't hook wire somewhere. They don't chop one money, and those documents must be destroyed so that nobody will question them. These people don't have Nigeria at heart. All the dream is looting. I'm not saying fire do not erupt anywhere in the world. Fire inferno can happen anywhere in the world. But what am I trying to say here? Documents are not kept like small children anymore. I don't know how you put it. A primary school child who went to secondary school and they give him a drawing, then he will come and keep it. No. We have gone beyond those things now all over the world. They keep documents inside database. National Assembly should have their own database. Look at the police station. Have you been to any Nigerian police station and they have computer? Will you ever walk into a Nigerian police station and say, oh, please, I'm looking for so person. Is that person in your custody? And they will open the computer and say, let us check. No. We keep crying every day. We keep crying. We keep talking and we keep talking. These people are not even listening. When we talk on social media, they'll say those people, oh, they want to cause problem. Oh, this. As we criticize the government's supposed to do what? Listen to what these people are saying and then do something about it. That is why we say all these people, they are old, they don't even know how to use computer. They should be out of the way. The new generation should go into National Assembly, yes. Those that can handle, let me tell you something. It's not everybody that will be computer literate. At least there should be a secretary who is literate. If you don't know how to document your vital document, please go and learn. There are a lot of Nigerians who are very, very intelligent. Computer literate everywhere. But you people are still keeping documents like 1908. The white people got, I mean, let me tell you something. United States of America, they begin to document and have database. Even, in fact, let me tell you, they begin to data, I think 14th century ago. 14th century ago. In Nigeria, they don't even know who I am. They don't know, the Nigerian government don't know who I am. They don't know who you are. In a civilized world where you are born, the country that you are born into, the government will know your papa. The government will know your grandfather, your great-great-grandfather. They will know them. How many children they have. Because everybody is documented under the same family. Like, okay, Solomon, let me give you an example. If I have a child today in a country that I'm a citizen, if I have a child right there in the hospital, the doctor have their own database at the hospital where they are going to, immediately I have a child in the hospital, they are going to tell the mother, where is the father? They will call me. I will give them my name. They will give them the name that you want that child to be bearing. They will say, okay, this speaking name now, Okechukwu Solomon Okereke. And under me as a citizen, my grandfather is already, my papa, they don't know him. You see all these things, there is where they are assembling all these things accordingly. They know where to get you. If they don't get you, they know where to get your child. If they don't get you, they know where to get your mother. If they don't get your mother, they know where to get your father. Let me give you an example. You see every car you see passing out here now. You see every car here. All the cars you see passing out here. If one of the car is broke down or somebody just left the car and the authority came to that car, do you know what they are going to do? They don't need to call. They don't need to start. Oh, who owned this car? What the police will do is, who got this car? They will look around. Nobody there. They just go. You see the number plate. They are going to go there. They are going to check it on database. Oh, this car belongs to Solomon. And they know where to contact me. They know how to contact me. So, this car belongs to Solomon. Immediately, all these things what they do for Nigeria, make I tell you, you people are just wasting your time. How long are you going to stay in this country? How long do you think you are going to be civilized? These people don't have you people at heart. Let me tell you something, Nigerians. You see, Buhari is sponsoring Boko Haram. You see, forget about all these things. They are just doing, they are painting that they do now like this. They are sponsoring these people. See, all those. I'm having a network problem here. Okay, my network was having a problem. You didn't restore. Eh? You see, I pity our Igbo brothers. Those Igbo brothers, you see, let me tell you something. The most idiot and mumu people who are they see now, our Igbo celebrities. Our South-East celebrities, our South-East billionaires, they are all Mugu. And Mumu na them be. You see these Hausa people, I mean these Fulani people, they are sponsoring their people behind. All of them, they look like Mumu. Now they carry train, they build a train track from Nigeria down to Niger. Now, last week, now, when I don't forget, is it not last week, we were talking about 1.4 billion that Buhari gave to Niger. Everybody, we have forgotten about it. That is just the way we be. We don't forget about them. Suffering and smiling. Make I tell you now, let me tell you, Nigeria will not die. That is your problem. Listen, we got to do what we got to do. If you see, people will go remain, make them remain and enjoy the country. We can't live like this now. We keep having children that they are coming to suffer for nothing. If you are one of those who don't born children, begin to apologize to your children. Begin to apologize to your children because now all of us now we destroy Nigeria. Yes. We are having those children in this country. They found themselves in that country where there's no amenities, no road, no good hospital, school, no day, everything. You just burn them into that destruction. Begin to apologize to your children. I'm not asking you to leave Nigeria. Esther, that is not what I'm saying. Support the movement. Support the movement, just like Hausa Fulani, they support undernet. When they come to social media, they go tell you now one Nigeria, one Nigeria. One Nigeria, they are buying SUV. I've been waiting like 1.4 billion. Down to Niger, and you're here asking me what do you do? They build a train track down to Niger, and you're asking me what do you do? Ask me. Keep asking me. You know what to do. You know what to do. Revolution. We know many of you in Nigeria, you cannot talk. We are not asking you to talk on social media. We are not asking you to talk. There is a movement on social media where we want to do what we got to do. You got to support. Waiting me at the talk now, we say those who get money for Southeast, it is time they begin to support behind the curtain. We are not asking you to come and talk. Go behind the curtain and begin to support the movement. We want to get our own sovereign nation. What is wrong with you? I'm not only talking to the South, Igbo speaking. I'm talking to people from Rivers. I'm talking to people from Calabar. I'm talking to every Southeasterners. Don't just look at us. How long? You are graduating and there's no job for you. You are the born children. They born them into poverty, believing that, oh, the next president is going to come and fix Nigeria. You people are making a mistake. These Fulani people, they are just like rats. When I don't see rat where they chop person for night, rat go chop all your leg for night, you no go know. When they chop you, he chop you small, he go blow you. If he chop you small, he blow you. That is exactly what the Fulani are doing you people now. You see, as we are fighting for sovereign nation now, as this our brother from some of our brother from Port Harcourt side and Rivers, where we say what it concern us, these Igbo people say they think say na them be Biafra, them the two they do. They are happy to see you guys like that, suffering and smiling. The same people in Rivers, now there they command the oil. Where did they take develop United Kingdom? One day all of una go sink inside water, una papa and mama and families. Una go sink inside water where they dig that oil. One day. It is not about giving amnesty, giving people money. No. Government where they carry money, they give people, it's a destruction. The money should be used for infrastructure, farming, creating jobs. We ask the government for, please, can you restructure the country? They say, no, we can't restructure the country. Give them referendum. They say, oh, no, we can't. Then what do you want to do? What are you doing? They're going to carry vote after 4 years. They tell you, oh, vote for this person, PDP, APC, this, that, all of you are happy. Now, I think 2023 is coming. All of you now go vote. We will still be here. You are still going to be where you are. I believe, and I have always been saying, Peter Obi may have intention, but is Peter Obi going to be given the chances? All the embassy where they are abroad, where Nigeria they represent abroad, now Fulani people they there. Are you listening to me? All the embassy abroad. Do you know that? All the vital position for Nigeria owned by Fulani. All of them still they look. You still believe that Nigeria is going to be fixed by someone? Some people who are just 50 years civilized backwards. Go to police station. They don't have anything documented. Now wow, this one where National Assembly don't they burn document. The one where happened on during the COVID-19. When I don't forget about that. You see, let me tell you, guys. You see, they purposely did what they do. They just take advantage. Say they do like say we they foolish. Anything where they want to do, they do it, and 3 days you have forgotten about it. Sabina, yesterday happened, today, tomorrow, everybody we have forgotten. Let's move on. Nigeria go good. Oh, let us vote APC. Let us, everybody, right now, all of you, you want to vote for. If you not vote for Atiku, you go vote for if you know if you not vote for Atiku, some people are watching me right there, they are waving me, you know. So if they don't vote for Atiku, they go vote for Tinubu. If they don't vote for Tinubu, they go vote for Obedient. Seriously, none of you where they talk say you want. You see, let me tell you something. Anybody where they want Nigeria does not love Nigeria. Anybody where they advocate for sovereign nation is the actual person that loves the country. That's the actual person that loves the humanity. Because humanity needs to be taken care of. It is not a rocket science to share the nation. Share the nation, make everybody go and be in Papa name. Are we guys not tired of all this bullshit? We want to create a job. We don't know how to create a job. People will be say they don't run away, come up for Nigeria finish. People wait. Every company don't come up for Nigeria finish. When are you going to wake up? Wake up. All this thing where they do now lie. There are some documents they just want to burn. All the chair where they talk say they burn now. They want to chop another money. We now know say they are Buhari 10 or don't they go. The 13 million, 18 million where they collect every month. You know reach them. Nigeria will be moving. Some people go sit down some place for 20 years, 15 years, collecting 13, 15 million. They cannot even build hospital. Look at the Yaya man Ekweremadu. Ah, now wow. And you people still believe that somebody is going to come and fix the country?
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.